Hello and welcome to this lesson for Grade 9 Design and Technology. Today we are going to talk about pneumatics and hydraulics. In this video, you will have a look at the working principles of pneumatic systems, the benefits and limitations of pneumatic systems, and common applications of pneumatic systems. In pneumatics, pressurized air is used to achieve mechanical motion. Pressurized air is obtained by putting air under greater pressure than the air in the general environment. By compressing air, stored energy is available to produce, transmit, and control movement for operation of pneumatic systems. A pneumatic system consists of an air compressor used to compress and store pressurized air, transmission lines used to transmit or transport the flow of air, valves used to control the direction and speed of flow of air, a piston actuator or motor used to provide mechanical movement. Note, air is released in the atmosphere after use. Let us consider the operation of an air pump to illustrate the working principle of a simple pneumatic system. In this case, the piston acts as a compressor. The compression chamber acts as a storage tank. The inlet and outlet valves control the direction of the flow of air. The hose acts as the transmission line. Sequence of operation. Stage 1. When the piston is pulled up, air from the atmosphere gets in the pump. Stage 2. When the piston is pushed down, it compresses the air inside the compression chamber, which closes the inlet valve and opens the valve to the tire, pushing air into it. Types of output. Pneumatic systems can be connected to different types of output devices. A motor is going to produce a rotary motion. These are illustrations of pneumatic motors. A piston actuator is going to produce a reciprocating movement. As such, this is a schematic of a pneumatic piston. Benefits and limitations of pneumatic systems. We have both benefits and limitations of pneumatic and hydraulic systems. The benefits are, firstly, they operate with air which is abundant and free. Air can easily be carried in pipelines over long distances. Circuits can be easily adjusted to produce different working speeds. Compressed air is a very fast working medium which enables high working speeds to be attained. Safety hazards are significantly reduced. The use of air limits risk of fire or electrical shocks. Pneumatic components require limited cleaning. The limitations of these systems are: it is difficult to achieve uniform and constant piston speeds with compressed air. The noise level of exhaust air is loud. Pneumatic systems are less durable. Moisture accumulation in the system causes problems. Pipes that feed the system may cause serious injuries to the user. Pipes can move uncontrollably on their own due to pressurized air. Compressed air requires good conditioning, that is, filtration, pressure regulation, and lubrication. Common uses of pneumatic systems are tire pumps and gauges, the orbital sander, jackhammers, parking brakes of vehicles, paint sprayers, automatic doors of vehicles, nail guns, dentistry equipment, impact wrenches. As a reinforcement of what we have done, work out the answers to these. Briefly define the term pneumatics. List the main components of a pneumatic system. List 2 benefits and limitations of pneumatic systems. State 3 common applications of pneumatic systems. In this video, you had a look at the working principle of pneumatic systems, the benefits and limitations of pneumatic systems, common applications of pneumatic systems. This brings us to the end of this presentation. Do remember that all of our videos are available on the website of the Ministry of Education under the Student Support Program. Thank you for having watched this program, and do catch us for our next lesson on hydraulics for grade 9. Till then, goodbye.